When a user called you to complain about his Windows or Windows 10 operating system, that the device is slow, the user is receiving multiple errors at the same time, but probably the user is able to log on to his device. There's an option you can actually do to actually reset that user's device. It's like reinstalling the device without a Windows software, maybe Windows installation software. So for example, I can actually reset my Windows 11 operating system without the Microsoft Windows 11 operating system. So if I go to, for example, I go to settings, and mind you, you only do this if your Windows operating system is not stable. You don't want to do this at any given time and just feel, oh, I just need to reset my device. No, you want to do it only when you feel your device is giving you a lot of issue. So under your settings in system, go to recovery. In recovery, you can see we have some options here. First of all, it says fix problem without resetting your PC. So it's even giving you some extra suggestions to actually try to fix other issues on your device without resetting your device. So this should be your last option. If you work for a company, definitely the company has a policy on how to reinstall client operating system. Maybe this reset button probably may be actually be gray out. You may not be able to use this reset button here. But if you want to reset a device, probably for a friend or as an IT, you need to know this. You just go to reset, and then you can see we have two options. I can actually keep my files, remove apps and settings, but keep your personal files, or remove everything, remove all your personal files, app and setting, and the Windows client operating system will be as good as clean installation. So I can decide to actually keep my files, and say, as you can see, it's getting things ready, could not find a recovery environment, insert your Windows installation recovery media and restart your PC with the media. Okay, good. So I will tell you what happened. If I go back again, I'll say remove everything. I think I may receive the same error as well. Could not find the recovery environment. I'm receiving this because this is an Azure operating system and not a client operating system. So if I go to Azure, you can see this is Azure and this is the device I'm trying to reset. If I want to reset that device, I can actually try to do it here. We can actually decide to delete the device here, and then we can actually reset it here from Azure and not from the client operating system itself. But let me go back again to my own physical device and then show you what I mean. So now this is my physical device. So for example, you can see reset this PC. You can see I can decide to reset this PC, and now we have the option keep my files or remove everything. I can say keep my files. Let's just wait for some seconds. You can now have the option to do the following: download and restore Windows from this device. Download and restore Windows is going to take some time because it's going to try to download it from the internet, direct from the internet to your device before the installation process will continue. Or we can use local reinstall. It will actually try to use the Windows client operating system on your device to actually install it. But I'm not going to do that right now because I may lose a lot of information on this device, and also the recording of this video will stop. So let me just cancel that and go back again to our client operating system. Here is we're back again to our Azure Windows 11 operating system. So this is how you actually reset your device should in case you are having issues and you want to reset your client operating system.